Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Upgraded Than Yesterday. Today we are going to learn about the differences between the intermediate operations and the terminal operations of Java Stream API. First difference, the intermediate operations are used to transform the data of the stream into a required format, whereas terminal operations are used to get the final output from the stream. Look at the code. There are two intermediate operations applied. Filter method is used to filter the data and the map method is used to modify the data of the stream. Whereas the terminal operation collect method is used to collect the data from the stream, which is the final output. Second difference, intermediate operations are lazy by nature. Not a single operation will get executed until a terminal operation is called. If a stream is defined only with intermediate operations, then that stream is just defined. It won't execute anything. Whereas the terminal operation uses a loading strategy so that it can return the value as soon as the operation is called. Look at the code. The stream is defined with two intermediate operations, filter and map. Since there is no terminal operation associated with it, so the stream is just defined. It is not executing anything as it is lazy by nature. If we print the stream reference variable, it will print the class name with the hash code, like java.util.stream.reference_pipeline@abcd. But when the terminal operation is executed, it has quickly returned the output as it uses a loading strategy. If we print the output returned by the terminal operation, it will print the expected output, which are apple and avocado. Third difference, an intermediate operation always return a stream or its subvariants, whereas a terminal operation can return anything like a collection, a value, or a void. Look at the code. The filter and the map method has returned a stream of string, but the collect method has returned a list of string. Fourth difference, the intermediate operation supports method chaining. Multiple intermediate operations are allowed to be chained together to transform the data, whereas only one terminal operation is allowed to apply to a stream. Look at the code. There are four intermediate operations, filter, map, distinct, limit are chained together to transform the data, whereas only one terminal operation, collect, is allowed to call to get the final output. Fifth difference, the stream stays open no matter how many intermediate operations are chained together, but the stream gets closed as soon as the execution of a terminal operation is completed. We cannot reuse a closed stream. Look at the code. The filter and the map method has returned a stream of string. On the same stream, the distinct and limit operations are applied. The JVM didn't throw any exception as the stream is open. Also, when the terminal operation collect is called for the first time, it worked properly and printed the output, but along with that, the stream got closed. When the collect method is called for the second time on that closed stream, immediately the JVM has thrown illegal state exception. Stream has already been operated upon or closed. Sixth difference. Examples of intermediate operations are filter, map, flat map, sorted, distinct, limit, etc. Examples of terminal operations are collect, for each, count, reduce, min, max, find first, etc. That's all for this video. I hope you liked this video and were able to learn something new. Until the next video, take care, bye bye, and thank you for staying with me.